Friends, my name is Muhammad Arshad, and in our last lecture, we have seen that how we can install Oracle database on our local machine. And in today's lecture, we will see how we can install Oracle Apex on our local system. So let's start. First of all, we need to download Oracle Apex from Oracle website. So go to your browser, and here you need to type uh, download Oracle Apex and open this link. And here we have two types of Oracle Apex. First contains all languages, and second one contains English language only. It means if you want to do development in more than one or other languages, then you have to select all languages. And if you want to do development in only English, then download this one link. I have already downloaded Oracle Apex English version. Download and unzip Oracle Apex on your local drive. And here I have Apex 21.2. Rename it Apex only and copy this into a folder where you have installed your Oracle database. So I have installed my Oracle database in C app Oracle. Paste your Apex folder over here, and here we have Apex folder. Okay, go to this path and copy it. Open your CMD, open it with run as administrator. Yes, and move to the path where you have copied your Apex folder. CD and paste your path. C app Oracle Apex. Press enter. Then run SQL plus, and then press enter. Enter your username you have used while you were installing your Oracle database. So sys as sys dba, and press and enter your password, and you are connected to your Oracle database, which is 19C. Now you need to run a command to install Oracle Apex. So here I have command. First we need to create a table space. So here I have a command, create table space, and name of the table space is Apex, and data file is at this path. Go to your path where you have installed your Oracle database, and then we have Ora data ORCL, and here I have Apex x01. Delete this file if it does not exist on your local machine. That's good. Otherwise, if it exists there, then delete it before running the command. Then you need to create a table space. Copy the path of this one, and then paste it over here, and name of the data file is apex 01. It will be created at that path. Okay, copy this command, Control C, and let it be completed. After that we will run this command. Okay, run your command, press enter. Okay, create table space or apex, this size, this table space or apex already exists. Okay, I have already created this apex table space, so that's why it is giving error. When you will run on your command prompt, you will see a message, table space created successfully. So I have to revert this dbf file. Okay, and secondly you have to run this command to install Oracle Apex. So let's see how much is remaining. 83, 84. Copy this command and let it be finished. Okay, run this command. Unable to open file apex ins. So let me check. C app Oracle Apex. Okay, it is Apex within Apex. Paste it here and delete this Apex. Now run your command again. Okay, it's running. It will take some time, so let it be finished. Okay, now installation of Oracle Apex has been completed, and now the next step is we need to run another command, which is apx chpwd. change password. Okay, copy this command and run this command. Okay, enter the administrator username. If you want to change your administrator username, you can change it. Otherwise, press enter if you are happy with the default administrator username, which is within the brackets admin. Actually, within the brackets means admin is our default username of administrator username. Press enter and enter admin's email. Press enter and then you need to enter a password. Password needs one capital letter SKM, one dollar sign, 123A. Then you need to confirm. Okay, there is no confirm password, so created instance administrator. So now we need to configure Apex listener and Apex REST public users. So to create Apex user, we need to run this one command. Press enter. Enter a password for Apex listener. So you need to enter Apex listener password. Keep your password same for all the users so that you can remember. Okay, enter our password for the Apex REST public user. Okay, the next one is we need to see how many users are created for Apex. Run this command and we have Apex listener, Apex 210 Apex public users, and you can see Apex 210 and Apex public users both are locked. So we need to unlock these users. Copy this command, run it, then we need to run second one command to unlock Apex 210 user. Okay, both users are altered. Then select all the users with containing ORDS, Oracle REST data services. So we have ORDS public user, ORDS metadata, and ORDSys. All the users are open, no one is blocked. So we don't need to run this command, but we can run this command to change its password. Okay, now we need to configure ORDS. ORDS stands for Oracle REST data services. So first of all you need to download ORDS. So open your browser ORDS. First one link, then click on download and download your REST data services. First one, click on download. I have already downloaded this ORDS folder, so downloads, and here have ORDS. Cut it, app Oracle. Basically I already have ORDS folder in my installation folder. So first I have deleted it and copied here. Okay, it is copied, and then we need to copy images from Apex and paste in ORDS. Okay, go to your Apex folder, images, Control C, and ORDS, paste. That's it. Okay, the next step is, now we need to run our ords.war file. Before you run this ords war file, you need to know you have Java on your system or not. To know Java is installed on your system or not, you need to run a command java version okay. What is okay? It is SQL plus exit and run your command here. So I have 1.8 Java installed on my local machine. So now I need to run this one command. Okay, paste it here. Okay, the Oracle REST Data Services instance has not yet been configured. Please complete the following prompts. Enter the location to store config data. Okay, now we need to create a directory in our ORDS folder, new folder, and name it config. Okay, and copy its path and paste it here. Okay, our images are still in progress. Okay, it is near to complete. Okay, now run this, press enter. Enter the name of the database server. Okay, the name of the database server is localhost because we are installing this Oracle Apex on our local machine. If you are installing on within an organization, then you have to enter your IP address over here. So press enter with localhost default value, enter the database listen port, and default port is 1221. Okay, you can see all the information in your folder where you have installed your Oracle database. So go to your Oracle, and then we need to move product 21. Actually, we need to go database home so we can see it where we can see it. Okay, my database home is this. Here we have network admin, and here we have DNS. Okay, added this, and port we can see is 1521. Okay, go with default value, press enter, and then we need to add c dot service name. Okay, press 1 for service name and provide the service name, which is ORCL. Press enter. Enter the database password for OR public user. Okay, confirm the password. Keep your password same for all the users. Okay, here we have uh, option, enter 1 if you want to gateway. So press 1, otherwise press enter because default value is also 1. Enter the database password for Apex public user. Okay, confirm. Okay, enter 1 to specific passwords for application express RESTful services database user Apex listener, Apex public user, Apex listener, and Apex public user. So let's see, we have already altered these, alter metadata, and Apex listener this okay, Apex public user, this one. Okay, so press 1 to specify passwords. Apex listener का confirm. Enter the password for Apex REST public user. Confirm. Okay, then we have enter a number to select a feature to enable 1 for all features. Press 1. Enter 1 if you wish to start in standalone mode or to exit. Okay, press 1. Enter Apex static resources location. Okay, basically static resources means it is part of images. So we need to provide ORDS images and give path of images and paste it here. Press enter, Enter 1 if using HTTP or 2 if using HTTPS. 1 for HTTP. Allow access. Go to your browser and type localhost and then this port is 8080 and then ORDS. Press enter. Okay, here we have our Apex login screen. A default workspace with Apex is internal. Username for Apex admin is admin, and password at the time of installation we entered is capital SKM $sign 123 Apex. Press enter A. And you can check this checkbox, remember workspace sign in. So congratulations, our Apex installed successfully on our local machine. So in next video we will see how we create a workspace on Oracle Apex.